I have just hit 4,000 subscribers. So for my 4,000 subscriber celebration video, I have cleared off my table and I'm going to get out my entire orc collection and set it here, and we're going to take a look at it. This is going to take a while because I've got a lot of stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the audio. We'll probably see I don't think this camera does a time lapse, but we'll speed up the recording of me setting it all out, and I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, so we're 30 minutes in on setting it up, and the table is full. And you might have guessed, this isn't all of it. It's pretty close. I've got my 3 units of 30 boys, some more characters, and my mech guns. But everything else is here. So pretty much the stuff I'm playing with is what's not on the table right now. But everything else is. I'll probably move some of the vehicles, put out the rest of the infantry. But this is where we're at right here. So we got all my trucks. This one hiding back here is a Flakka truck from a long time ago. It's got the quad gun on it. My 3 battle wagons. A looted wagon, the kill tank. My UFOs are back there. They're not lit up because I don't have any batteries for them. Same with the Gorkanaut. It doesn't have any batteries. All 6 planes, the Stompa. Hiding back there are my 2 bunkers and my 2 Vengeance weapons batteries. My 3 units of tank busters are over here. Cannons and dreadnoughts are here. These is Gruk Face Ripper and his 5 knobs, built as in the old, as per the war gear in the old Sanctus Reach book. 2 units of commandos, my mega knobs, 30 Ludas, 5 more Evil Sons Ludas. No, here's another battle wagon. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 battle wagons. Yeah, I have 4 battle wagons now. Got this one over here. Some Bernas, 3 units of 30 shooter boys, 1 unit of 12 truck boys, 1 of the old Scorches, which I completely forgot that I had. The 20 3rd edition Storm Boys with Boss Zagstruck. My Squigoth from the Stegodon. Of course, the kill tank with Super Scorcha, Flyers, Stompa, yeah. So that's most of it. I'm going to go ahead and say I'm going to move the trucks and the Forge World vehicles out and make room for the rest of the infantry. Just so you can see all my infantry put together, because I've never seen that before. So I'm going to put the trucks and the two Forge World units out of the way, and I'll be right back. Okay, there we go. So got all the rest of the infantry set out. So here are my mech guns just kind of piled up here in the middle. None of the, just a few samples here. KMK, tractor cannon, smasher gun. Lots of things going on there. Just a pile of grots right here. I tried to set them all out, but I ran out of space. So here's one unit of boys, another unit of slugger boys, third unit of slugger boys. Got some KFF mechs down here in the corner. Got a SAG mech hiding around here somewhere. Couple buggies. Let's see what else we got. All the characters back there. We got the Zad Snark, Big Mac on bike, the jet bike, my war boss on a bike, knob bikers, Def Copters. Def Copters are the looted LR jet bikes. Here's Gazzy and some war bosses over here. Yeah. Oh, here's the SAG mech hiding out. Okay. And then I've got, just real quick, down here on the chair is the rest of it. If you look down here on the chair, you see the trucks and the the kill tank and the big track. And so that is absolutely everything that I own. See, I found a few things to repair, but very, very little, fortunately. Yeah, that was a major project, and now I have to put it all away. But now I can sort and organize it a little bit more. Now I know for a fact that I've got everything I'm supposed to have. I'm not missing anything. I got all my magnetized bits for all the pieces, extra weapons and stuff. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. I haven't lost anything. Very few repairs to make. Mainly on some grots, and then like a close combat weapon fell off a Storm Boy. So yeah, well, anyway, that's 4,000 subscribers. My orc collection. I'm not even trying to add up the points. It's just crazy. But pretty much got every unit in the book with the exception of flash kits. And that's just my cat spell. And plenty to play, pretty much anything I want to. Full set of cans, 2 dreadnoughts. Probably have to get another dreadnought. Wouldn't mind. I don't have, this is like an old, like 2nd edition dreadnought, 3rd edition dreadnought. I need to get a plastic one, complete the set. All my old Gorka Morka style bikes, a full unit of 15. Of course, you can't take 15 anymore, so that's kind of a letdown. Yeah, so tell me what you think. That is my orc collection. Thank you, everyone. 4,000 subscribers, and have a good year.